Welcome to Grumpy Vegan Grandad, Dan here. So last night we entered a random farm that we found by searching online. It was about an hour drive north from where we are, and it's a fully automated farm which I'll go into later in the video. It was very noisy. Very noisy. I really struggled to sort of pay attention to what I was doing, but it's all a learning curve. It's the first sort of dairy farm that we've gone into, and yeah, there was a lot of noise going on, which you think would be a good thing, but my condition, my ADHD, it makes me react to sudden noises in a really sort of fight or flight manner. So every time there was a bang or crash or something like that, I was turning, and I really didn't concentrate on the focus and the filming sometimes during the video, which you may see or I may cut out. We'll see what happens. But yeah, like I said, it's all a learning curve, and next time I go to one of these places, something similar, I will know what to expect. But yeah, you'd think it would be a good thing, a lot of noise to cover up our tracks, you know, to not alert the farmer, but it also gives people the opportunity to appear from nowhere and we don't hear them. I mean, every other farm that I've been on has been deadly quiet, and that is great for me because I pick up on every single little noise everywhere. It's a really cool aspect of ADHD, is that you pick up on very tiny noises and very tiny movements and very alert in those situations. So yeah, it was a different experience, definitely. But we got some footage. We did a little bit of looking around, snooping about, and it wasn't perfect, but some very interesting aspects of this farm which you'll see. So yeah, let's roll the video. Thank you. So as you can see, the cows were in beautiful conditions on lovely fresh straw, heated, sheltered, and yeah, nothing to see here, so that's the end of the video. Of course it isn't. These cows were pregnant, that's why they were being looked after.
Here's the truth.
Let's walk through this one. It's all like cleaning stuff. It's all like cleaning stuff. All automated. Right, let's walk through this. Lots of shit everywhere. All automated. So this is your grass fed. Shit, moving. Hello. These only look like young ones. These are young. Husband. Very inquisitive. Oh, these are young. There's calves here, mate. Hello, babies. Hello. 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 Urinating. What do you think they are, male or female? These are definitely young, aren't they? So they must. I think the females that have been brought up into the system. Yeah. So I think these are the young ones being brought up into the system. But I don't know where the males are. We need to find a little office somewhere to find some equipment. Can you see the rate rack or anything like that? The rate rack, we can do if I did that. What are these things here? It could be this. So if we go, but I think there's calves down here, Dan. There's what? I think the calves are down here, they're really small. Right, let's go that way. I think we go down there. Yeah. We'll go all the way back round. Yeah. Get the computers then, Chip. Yeah. Right, let's go then. Right, so we've entered this farm. We've come to the far bench. It looks like it's young females that are in the system. We haven't found the males yet. We're going to try and work our way along the different sheds. It looks like it's in a process of young We don't know where the pregnant mothers are yet, and then the milking herd. So we're gonna have a mooch about and see what we can find. But this is your grass fed. There's no green fields that these cows are in. They're basically given this mulch. Oh no. Hello, beautiful. Hello. Hello. It's alright. It's alright. I'm not going to hurt you. I'm vegan. I'm vegan. I'm vegan. You see the tags around the necks? Yeah. These are like electronic devices, so they track how the cow moves, and if they're not moving a lot, it lets them know that they might be lame. It tells each cow has an individual sort of tag, and it tells them how much food they should have, how much milk they're producing. It's all automated. It's all right. It's all right. So you see the tags around the neck there? I'll try and focus in on it. Yes. Yes. You're beautiful, aren't you? Beautiful. Yes. You shouldn't be here, guys. You shouldn't be here. So, these could be, do they look pregnant? How do you tell if a cow's pregnant? Calling for your mother. Are you calling for your mother? These are definitely the young, the up and coming.
That's a good point, that Ian, isn't it? You know, labour's getting scarce.
Yeah.
You know, we've read it time and time again. Less and less people coming into farming. Well, if we've got less people coming into farming, and you chaps are producing such fantastic equipment like this, there is a breath of fresh air for farming, isn't there? Really?
It certainly is. In the younger generation, you know, most of them don't want to work the long hours now. What you're finding out, so this actually lets them actually.
The cows do the work for them.
And they actually manage the cows, so they're working more sociable hours, if you can put it that way. Labour times. And with that, they can get more information. So this is helping them to actually progress with their dairy units and make them labour efficiencies.
I mean, come on, we're age-wise, are we starting to now see this new generation that really are smartphone, PC? That's where their businesses are going. Are we seeing an increase from that side of things? You know, Baz, what do you see?
We see a big increase because, like 3 weeks ago, we launched our new app to help the farmers to manage their cows differently. It will help them to see where people are going on their day-to-day basis, what jobs have been done to actually help the farmer to manage the cows better, get more out of his day and be more efficient, because efficiency is the way it's key.
Is all the AI. I need a torch.